Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the ImHOPtep, and a non-alcoholic version of this drink will also be included. But before we begin, it is important to note that this drink is inspired by antiquity, but the recipe was not actually used in ancient times. When I say Imhotep, you probably think of this. However, this character is not actually a representation of Imhotep, whom we don't actually know much about. What we do know is limited to two inscriptions, one in connection with Djoser and the other with his successor, Imhotep, who both reigned during the 3rd dynasty in the Old Kingdom. These inscriptions account Imhotep's titles, including Royal Sealbearer, Great of Seers, and Overseer of Sculptors. The fact that his name and title appear on the statues of these kings does suggest, however, that Imhotep had an important status. Later in antiquity, and even still today, Imhotep is associated with a whole list of contributions. One of his best-known associations is his role as the architect of Djoser's step pyramid at Saqqara. This method became a typical standard for the reigns of the 3rd dynasty from kings Djoser to Snefru, preceding the appearance of the true pyramid with flat faces. Around the 4th dynasty, we see Imhotep being attested for his scribal and physician skills, and Imhotep later became deified as the god of wisdom and medicine, and was even worshipped by the Greeks as Asclepius. Alright everyone, this drink is fairly simple to make. All you're going to need is ice, your favorite IPA, an ounce and a half of Campari, and a lemon twist. To make this non-alcoholic, we will be using a non-alcoholic IPA and an alternative to Campari. I will link both options below for you. And now let's get into it. First, we're going to add our ice. Then we're going to slowly pour in our IPA, just so that we don't get too much craziness with the fizz. Our Campari. We'll give it a nice little stir. And that's it. Pretty easy if you ask me. Enjoy.